Saeed was born on the 27th of July 1971 to a Muslim family in Karachi. Saeed attended Nasr School in Karachi, where he excelled in his studies and earned the distinction throughout his academic career till matriculation. Later he enrolled himself at a prominent institution, St. Patrick's College in Karachi, and earned a bachelor's degree in commerce. 9. Saeed stated he was happily employed at a garments factory as a general manager before he got into the show business. 10. He described himself as shy when growing up. 11. Saeed is married to Samina. Saeed began his career as a television producer in the late 80s. His maiden production did not produce favorable results. 12. 13. 14. After stepping into showbiz, Saeed's powerful presence caught the eye of directors, and he was cast in the TV shows for acting roles. Ye Jahan, a musical that was telecast in 1996, became his debut. The same year he was declared Best Actor for his performance in Aap Tum Sakte Ho, directed by Marine Jabbar, in which he was cast opposite Sania Saeed and Khalida Riyasat. 15. Saeed continued doing TV productions alongside. He partnered with Sultana Siddiqui in late 90s and then Abdullah Kadwani in 2000s for his production companies. He is hailed as one of the most successful producers of the current time. 16. Dawn newspaper wrote, "Enter the world of Humayun Saeed, where acting acumen is merged with a flair for business. Benchmarks are set while new projects are constantly underway, and brooding romanticism rules supreme. After 15-odd years in the business, he is indubitably at the top of his game." 17. 18. Saeed's notable TV work as an actor include Esmendi drama, Daraya TV series, Kabhi Kabhi Pyar Mein, Kaafir TV series, Iran, Hum Aisi Judina Hona, Ladies Park, Dalaji, and guest roles in Marizat Zara-e Beni Shane and Dome. Saeed has made appearances on reality shows like Living on the Edge as a participant. He also judged a dancing reality show on Airy Digital in 2009. Saeed is one of the most decorated Pakistani actors. 23. He has received numerous award nominations and honors, including a minimum of 5 Lux Style Awards. 24. He received special recognition awards at Pakistan Achievement Awards 2015 UK and Europe. 25. And at 4th Ham Awards in 2016 for his invaluable contribution towards revival of Pakistani cinema. 26. 27. Saeed's film Ya Wani Fernahiyani swept the Air Film Awards ceremony with total of 17 awards, also earning him the award for the Best Male Actor in a Leading Role.
Films. Saeed made his film debut in 1999 with Samina Pierce's movie India. He portrayed the negative role in India and went on to receive the National Award Best Actor for his role in his very first film. 1920. Due to poor conditions of Pakistan film industry at that time, he did only limited number of movies until the revival of cinema began in 2013. Main Shahid Afridi, Bin Roy, 21, Jawani Pinahiani. All 3 of them were declared commercially successful. His film Jawani Pinahiani holds the record of highest grossing film of all time.